Black Carbonado diamond, a rare and fascinating gemstone, but is the one you have real or fake? In this video, I'll reveal 7 simple ways to test it at home without any complicated equipment. First, the scratch test. Diamond is one of the hardest materials on Earth. Try scratching glass or a mirror with the tip of the stone. If it leaves a clear scratch, that's a good sign. Second, the water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Real diamond is dense and sinks straight to the bottom, while fake ones may float or sink slowly. Third, the fog test. Breathe on the stone as if you were fogging up a window. Real diamond clears the fog within a second. Fourth, the reflection test. Look at the stone under light. Black diamond absorbs more light and doesn't produce colorful sparkles, but rather a deep, smoky luster. Fifth, the heat test. Hold the stone close to a flame for a few seconds, then drop it directly into cold water. Real diamond withstands the thermal shock, while fakes may crack. Sixth, the loupe test. Using a 10x magnifying glass, look for natural inclusions or tiny grain patterns. Real diamonds often have these unique imperfections. Seventh, the weight test. Compare the weight of the stone to another of similar size. Real diamond is slightly heavier than fake stones. With these 7 simple methods, you can uncover the truth about your black Carbonado diamond at home. And if you want 100% certainty, don't hesitate to visit a certified gemological laboratory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on testing gemstones and meteorites.